Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. I hope you guys are ready for our new project. So today I'm going to show you how you can do planned pooling. So we're going to do a striped scarf in this manner, and for that you will need some wool that is actually made for planned pooling. So in my case I would recommend and I'm going to be using the Woolly Hugs plan. So we have here 220 meters per 100 grams of weight. And let's see, we have 50% wool, 28% cotton, and 22% polyamide. And yeah, I will be using a needle size 5.5 millimeters. So let's see, we have here 4 colors total. So we have brown at the ends, the beige color, almost white, the blue grayish, and the yellow in between. So you see here that we have 2 times of each color with the exception of the yellow orange shade. And yeah, the brown that we have on each end is kind of half the length or half the width. So I'm calling the brown and the mustard color the pattern colors, and the blue and white are going to be the basis colors. So let's start with one of the pattern colors. Doesn't matter if it's the brown or if you decide, so whichever one you use, brown or mustard works as well. So in this wool, the colors are a bit different. They're purple, pink, and gray. So let's find the beginning of the thread. So after purple goes gray, some white, then pink, again white, some gray, and here purple. Here in the middle of the purple part is where we start, so try to get it in half. So let's now do as many stitches as we can until we get to the next purple. Now try to do about the half. You could even use a clothespin to mark this, but I can already estimate this, so feel free to do as you like. So here we can now start, cast the first stitch off and do the following ones in knit stitch. So here you see if you aligned it well or not. The colors should align on the top and bottom or the thread with the stitches. And here you again see white thread and white stitches begin at the same time. Here the half stitch is white and pink and the thread too. So you see how symmetrical this looks. This one is again half gray, half purple, so if you don't like this, you can always do it a bit tighter or looser depending on where it's at. But even leaving it like this wouldn't be too big of a problem. It just depends on what you like or want. And here now comes the purple with the change, so you can do this and align the colors at each color change. You can also mark the changes, but you see that it works just fine, like this too. You see I'm a bit too far here, so we can also do this again and align the colors. So you see here how we have a bit more white and a bit less white, but that is alright. So you can see my scarf, and I already have some results. So it's really not noticeable. As long as it's not a whole stitch there or back, it should be fine, and it will look like a straight line in the end. So this is how you can continue. So as you can see, planned pooling is really not complicated as long as you pay attention throughout your whole thing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to let me know what you think in the comment section. It's open and below the video. I'm always open for any critique or feedback or maybe even questions you might have. I'm also looking forward to any suggestions or wishes what we could do in our future projects, maybe something you're interested in but haven't tried out. And apart from that, yeah, thanks for watching Veronika Hug. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, feel free to shoot a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel for free, and that way you can stay updated with the new videos that I post, as well as gain access to the older ones that I already posted if you're looking for some extra inspiration. So I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!